வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி 6th லெசன் அர்பன் சேஞ்சஸ் டியூரிங் த பிரிட்டிஷ் பீரியட். அந்த லெசன் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அந்த லெசன் ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஏன்ஷியன்ட் டவுன்ஸ் ஆர் ஹரப்பா அண்ட் மொஹஞ்சன்டோரோ. ஆப்ஷன் ஏ இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Coastal towns developed by the British were dash. Option D. All of this is the correct answer. A new trend of urbanization began in the later half of 19th century as the result of option D. All the above is the correct answer. The British arrived India for option A for trading is the correct answer. Fort St. George was constructed by the British in dash. Option C. Madras is the correct answer. Filling the blanks, the network of railroads in India was introduced in 1853. Das rightly regarded as the father of local self-government in India. Ripan. The Government of India Act of 1919 introduced Das in the provinces. Diarchy. Das was responsible for the formation of the corporation. Sir Josiah Child, Francis Day and Andrew Cohen got permission to establish the factory cum trading post at Madrasapatnam. 1639. True or false? Towns flourished since prehistoric times in India. True. British acquired political control after the Battle of Plassey. True. Fort St. Williams is in Madras. False. Army people began to live in cantonments. True. Madras was officially renamed as Chennai in 1998. False. Match the following: Bombay, Seven Island, cantonment towns, Kanpur, Kedarnath, religious centers, Darjeeling, hill stations, Madurai, ancient town. Choose the correct statement. Assertion and reason. Assertion: India became the agricultural colony of Britain. Reason: the one-way free trade policy followed by the British and the Industrial Revolution destroyed Indian indigenous industries. Option C. Assertion is correct and reason explains assertion is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not true? Sriranga Rayulu gave the English the grant of Madrasapatnam. Day and Cogan were jointly responsible for the construction of Fort St. George. In 1969, the statement of Madras was rechristened as Tamil Nadu. Option A, first statement is not correct answer. The option A is the correct answer. British built up their alternative capitals in hilly areas. They found the Indian summer inhospitable. The option C, assertion is correct and reason explains assertion is the correct answer. Answer the following. What is an urban area? An urban area is one that has a high population density, engaged in occupations other than food production, living in a highly built environment. The British, coming from the cool temperate climate, found the hill station productive from hot weather and epidemics. So they built up the alternative capitals in cool areas. So highly hill areas are distinctive features of colonial urban development. Name the three presidency cities in late 18th century. Calcutta, Bombay and Madras rose as Madras presidency cities. The causes for the new trend of urbanization in the 19th century were opening of Swiss Canal, introduction of steam navigation, construction of railways, canals and harbors, growth of factory industries, etc. Write a note on cantonment towns. Since the British needed strong military camps and established the cantonment towns, army people began to live in these places and gradually they were grown up into a city. Example Kanpur and Lahore. Modern day Tamil Nadu, Lakshadweep Island, Northern Kerala, Raya, Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra, district of Karnataka, and various districts of southern Odisha. These are the regions covered in the Madras Presidency during the British regime. Port cities. The British arrived in India for trading. Madras, Calcutta and Bombay became the important ports. They played important role in trade. These cities became the prominent commercial areas with tall European style buildings. Cantonment towns. British occupied the Indian territory and political powers by their military force. So they needed strong military camps and established the cantonments. For example, Kanpur and Lahore. Hill station were distinctive features of colonial urban development, although hill stations were not unknown prior to their founding by the British in India. They were few and had a small population and were often visited for specific purposes. Railway towns were also the type of urban settlements and were established in 1853 after the introduction of railways by the British. By the nature of railway transport, all the towns were located on the plains. Beginning of the city of Madras goes back to the earliest stage of British commercial enterprise in India. The English East India Company was started in 1600 AD. The English, after some efforts, secured the privilege of building the factory of Masulipatnam. It was well protected from the monsoon winds. The official grant for the land was given by Damarala Venkatapati Nayak, the deputy of the Raja of Chandragiri. The Damarla have British a piece of land between Coombe River and the Egmore. India's company's Francis Day accompanied by his interpreter Berry Timappa and superior Andrew Cohen. By the Francis Day and Andrew Cohen was granted permission to establish the factory cum trading post and a fort of Madurasapatnam in 1639. This fortified settlement came to be known as Fort St. George settlement. It is otherwise referred to as the White Town, while the nearby villages inhabited by local population was called as Black Town. Collectively, the White Town and the Black Town were called as Madras. In the beginning, the policies of the British proved harmful to the process of urbanization. Later, the economic policies followed by the British lead to the rapid transformation of India's economy into a colonial economy and development of cities. The one-way free trade predominance of British India manufacturing industries were destroyed. There was a sudden collapse of the urban handicrafts industry. Towns and cities long famed for their specialized products guessed continually shrinking market. The manufacturing towns lost their previous importance. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.